Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to add a song on your Instagram profile. If you want to add any song on your Instagram profile, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap here and here just select edit profile. And now scroll toward the end and in the ending you will get option of music. Just tap on it and here you just have to select the music you want to set as your profile music. As I'm choosing this one, so just tap on it, then tap on next and then tap on done. And here you can see I have successfully added music to my Instagram profile. So that's how you can add a song on your Instagram profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.